How to scan QR code on Telegram to join group. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. We are on Telegram on our desktop, and we have a QR code over here, and it has come from a contact, Greg Smith. You can see over here. He has sent us a QR code to join his group. Now, there are a few ways to do this. Of course, you can go on your mobile device, and with your Android device, you can pull your finger down from the top of your screen, and you will have all of your extra options, all of your extra buttons, and you can scroll and look for scan QR code. Now, once you tap on that, you will have the option either to scan this QR code, or the second option would be if this QR code has actually come up on your Telegram app on your phone, you can go ahead, if you right click, you'll be able to download the image. Now, once it's downloaded on your mobile device in that same QR code reader, the scan QR code option, you'll have the opportunity to upload an image to the scanner. And what will happen then is it'll read that QR code and you will automatically join the group on the Telegram platform. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.